Hey everyone, Matt from Workshop Tinkers here. Today we have I'm tired of this freaking toilet leaking, so I'm going to fix it project. And yeah, you get freehand. I can't get a tripod in here close enough. Sorry about that. But anyways, quick, easy, should be 5 minutes. We'll see. First step, turn off the water. Make sure you have your replacement valve. Toilet fill hose, pair of pliers, bucket, and a rag that you don't care about. Alright, so step 2, make sure the water's off. Step 3, flush the toilet as it goes down. Alright, step 4. I'm going to stop with the steps. It's annoying me. There it goes. Let's get the rest of that out. Apparently this valve kind of sucks. Come on! And that's why you need the bucket. And the rag. Rag and bucket. Rag and bucket. So I'm doing this one-handed today. As you can see. Alright. Top of the... What the heck did... Okay, so they wrapped Teflon tube around a wedge... whatever. Maybe that's why. Nope, there it goes. It's off. What? Oh, look at that. Can you see that? This valve is so crappy. I can't even completely shut it off. So I'm just going to put the rag on it for now. The bucket here. You can hear it on the bottom of the bucket. So I actually have to get this done fast. It's now no longer bragging rights, but the valve sucks and I don't have a replacement. So I am not a plumber. This is how to DIY. Actually, you know what? You have a better view through the camera than I do in real life. That's fantastic. Okay. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to take the top off. Wonder if I can do that one-handed. This is porcelain, not a cheapo plastic. Believe it or not. It only weighs about 20 pounds. Or so. Come on. All the way off. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to have to do this faster because I can hear that getting worse. Alrighty, there she goes. I just lost the seal. That's got to the last little bit. Try not to get the camera wet. If my fingers... Nope, not strong enough. Okay. So, let's put the bucket down so you can see what I just did. I just pulled the valve out of the toilet. And I have the hose with me. It's in the trash. Let's go faster, 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 faster. Okay, see, toilet. Pull the valve out. It's got 2 hoses. It comes with the second hose. Let me put this down so you can see what I'm doing. It's crooked. Sorry about that. So I got my new valve. Comes out. It does have instructions with it. And a hose. There's the second hose. There's the stuff. So how this goes, you got your valve, you got your old valve, which is right here, and you are, I am way off, supposed to put them side by side And the new one kind of ratchets it out. So what you're trying to do is to get a rough height. Man, oh man, oh man. This is why hearing that water running is kind of making me anxious. I think that's about right. Let's do a quick check. So, uh-oh. If you drop it like I just did and the top pops off, pop back in. Uh-oh. Crap. I might have broken it. Nope, there it goes. Whew. So, here's the hose barb. It goes in. You have a drop. There she goes. So what you're trying to do so that the top, while this is in, obviously I need a bit more length. You didn't see that, but what I'm looking at is the water line versus the top. When it's fully up, it's going to come about halfway up. So what I'm going to do is another or so. Longer and close enough. Right, where's the fill line? This. Oh, and then of course I can. Crap! That means I have to make it longer. Sorry, I can't do this one-handed. Okay. Once you hit the top of the line for the toilet, you have to stop, drop and roll. It's about as good as it's going to get. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this the whole way up through this twisty here. Alright, back to the adapters. So this goes on wedge down all the way up. The hose goes on the barb in here. And then the barb clip, or the hose clip, goes here. This is what actually helps prime the toilet. So, let's see if I can get this shown. There we go. This goes down here, kind of like that. Make sure it all fits. Now I just gotta put it in place. Try to. There's no good spot for this because I really need that hose on the valve, so I'm rushing. Finger tight. So finger tight is all you need. Make sure that it's positioned well up top. Sorry, I can't show you everything. I'm trying not to make you sick. Now, take off the absolutely soaking wet rag. The little tiny bit of the leak. Let's see if I can. There we go. Alright. It is already filling this hose. I can hear it. So I am just going to position the hose so it doesn't look like crap. This just threads on the end of that new thing. Fill valve. Now I need to put you down. Make sure it's nice and tight. It should be nice and tight everywhere. The only thing left to do now is to clip this. This should go on the outside. So that goes. Come on, there it goes. So the hose goes down in. This is really tall. Now, let's put you right there. Let's see if I can I? Nope. Gotta try putting the top back on. Alrighty. Top goes on. Open her up. Mop up as much liquid as possible. Okay, I saw a drop. What? Some of it's residual, of course. And yes, I know my bathroom doesn't look great. This is all getting replaced in a couple of years. Once I have enough money, I have a list. So what I'm doing is I'm just checking to see if I can find anything wet that wasn't wet before. Fully looks like crap. So when I redo the bathroom, I'm going to take this barb off and replace it. So right now I'm not sure if it's actually watertight, but for now it's going to do fine. There she goes. This is an old toilet, so things aren't the nicest. See, okay, so I'm within, an inch. I should flush just as well. I'll know in a few days. A few days of use. Anyways, 12 minutes, not my stated 5. Probably because I was doing this one-handed. But anyways, thanks everyone so much for watching. Keep tinkering.